been having a pretty full summer. Lots of stuff going on. So right now I'm heading down to southern Michigan to pick up some batteries from Mark from the YouTube channel Adventures with Jane. I'll try to put his link to a channel in the description of this video. I'm going to also stick in there some stuff, some of the music concerts that we've been to this summer. At a couple we're at a campground, Whiskey Creek. So I'll add those in there in this video, and then I'll show you the batteries when I pick them up. So I know it's been a while. Sorry guys. Hopefully get this video out soon. Hopefully when you're watching it, it won't be months from now. And I'll see you all later. We plan on going down south in November and hope to be in Arizona in January. So that's the update for now. But enjoy the rest of the video.
behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket, in plain sight, all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Look at me, man, what I
So I made it home through all that traffic. It wasn't too bad coming home. Let me show you what I picked up. So those are the two batteries. They're two 100 amp hour batteries, and I got a good deal on them. So I mean, a really good deal on them. Mark really took care of me. He basically gave them to me. So I don't know if you guys, this is really a mess though. I'm embarrassed to show you, I guess, but we haven't been in here in a while, as you can see. I haven't given you guys an update though of what this thing looks like. Let me flip the light on. So now we have, I'll do another video when it gets cleaned up, but now I have a fridge. Let me get up here. So we've got a very and it works really well. It runs off the solar. You now have a microwave. Let me close this. So this, that spot right there is where that porta potty goes. And we're going to be using this too. That spot right there is where the cat litter box goes. So like I said, I'll do another video with everything in here when we actually hit the road. But now we have a microwave that we can run right off our batteries. I put in some shelving. I think I talked about that before. Now let me go around back. Got some new stickers. So this is what Wayne installed. We got the charge inverter, the 2000 watt, and also charges the batteries. There's my controller. There's the two batteries I have, so I think they're either going to go next to it or in front. I'm not sure. I've talked to Wayne. And then, oh yeah, and I contacted Wayne. He's going to be installing them. There's our battery monitor. So I got to get that reprogrammed when I install them, so it says 400 amp hours instead of 2. And of course, you guys seen the solar already. And then there's where I plug in if I'm somewhere where it has electricity and I need to charge the batteries. You know, if it's been raining for a few days. You can kind of see the solar up on top, not real well. But yeah. So we're going to be getting back on the road in a few months. I just wanted to quickly give you an update.